In my last video, I did an oil treatment for my hair and now I'm going to wash and style it. I'm using bicarbonate of soda to wash and then I'm going to rinse out with apple cider vinegar. First, get a heaped tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda, specifically bicarbonate of soda. In a small bowl, add some warm water to your bicarbonate of soda and stir until you get a paste. And this is the paste that I'm going to be using to wash my hair. First, I'm going to try to get as much of the oil out of my hair as possible using hot water. I'll soak my hair in the hot water and try to rinse out as much of the oil as possible. I'd normally do this in the bath or in the shower, but I'm doing this on camera so that you can have an idea how, if you had long hair, to soak your hair first in the hot water before actually pouring the hot water over your head to get as much of the oil as you can out. Since I finger coiled my hair earlier on, I'm trying to make sure that my curls remain intact. I'm trying not to ruffle or create any frizz while I'm doing this hair care routine. So I make sure that I scrunch my hair rather than shake it or move it about too much. And now I will finish off in the shower. After the rinse, I've started applying the bicarbonate of soda in my hair. First, I start from the roots, from my scalp, and then work my way down. Once I start to rinse my hair, the bicarbonate will trickle downwards and cleanse the rest of my hair as the water pours down. Bicarbonate of soda gives your hair a very gentle wash, helps you to detangle your hair, and leaves your hair feeling really soft. So I'm working in the rest of the bicarbonate of soda and then I'm going to do a warm wash. Once I'm done washing the bicarbonate of soda out of my hair, I'm going to do an apple cider vinegar rinse to restore the pH level of my hair. Add about 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar per liter of warm water and use this to rinse your hair. You can soak the ends of your hair if you have long hair for a few minutes before you actually use the apple cider vinegar throughout your hair. If you have long curls, remember to squeeze and scrunch your hair rather than shake or ruffle your hair to avoid having too much frizz when you're done styling. If you have long hair, you can use a bowl or a container and first soak your hair in the apple cider vinegar solution. Scrunch it and then after that, pour the rest of the apple cider vinegar and water solution over your head and throughout the rest of your hair. And now for our leave-in and styling conditioner using aloe vera. I love using aloe vera in my hair. Here are a few leaves of aloe vera from my garden. Once you have washed your aloe vera leaves, you chop off the edges and then we're going to begin to slice off the sharp pieces on each side of the aloe vera leaves. When you look at smaller to medium-sized aloe vera leaves, you will notice that there is one particular leaf, the top part of the leaf, that holds most of the gel. So what I usually do is slice off the inner part of the leaf to reveal the gel and one side of the leaf that holds most of the aloe vera gel. From that point on, I begin to extract the gel. So this is the part of the leaf with less of the gel, and here you have the part of the leaf that holds most of the aloe vera gel. This is the part of the leaf that I usually focus on to get most of the aloe vera gel out. Let's add some rose water. I get my rose water from the Palace shopping mall. Add about 1/4 or 1/2 cup of rose water, whatever you feel comfortable with. And now I'm going to add some olive oil. You can find olive oil in most supermarkets or department stores in your area. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to your mix. Feel free to use your favorite essential oil as well. I like to use lavender essential oil. Blend well using a stick blender or simply use a hand whisk if you don't have a stick blender at home. Sieve the mixture and put it into a spray bottle. Now let's get styling. So here again, I'm finger coiling and trying to make sure that each curl is as well defined as possible. I don't have so much time, so I'm kind of rushing through this, but still I'm trying to make sure that I isolate as many curls as possible and get the product evenly through my hair. And I'm still working on my damaged hair, still trimming all the bits and pieces that are damaged. Aloe vera is probably one of my favorite discoveries in the natural world. Aloe Vera Gel is an amazing styling agent. It's a great leave-in product. It's great at detangling your hair and helps to set your hair in a style that you like to have. You can see the difference between the side that has the leave-in and the side that doesn't. Depending on the look that you're going for in the end, you can choose to go with smaller strands of hair and making sure that each small strand is isolated and completely covered with the product. Or if you don't have too much time, you can partition your hair into maybe 8 sections and then finger coil each of those sections. I'm trying to do smaller strands, especially since my hair is so damaged. But I must say that after this treatment, my hair is feeling really great. It feels better than it's felt in so long. Always remember how important it is to section your hair before styling. This way you're sure that your whole head is detangled and you're also sure that the product is going to reach every part of your hair. So here's my hair 8 hours later. I just let it naturally dry. I've been thinking of getting a diffuser, but I haven't gotten around to doing that yet. I love the way my hair feels though. It feels so clean and light, and I just love the way my curls are defined all the way to the end. I just love it. Here I am a day later. Yes, I see that there is some shrinkage, but wow, those curls are popping. Oh my goodness, I haven't seen my hair this good in so long. I'm really happy with the results. Looky, looky. I am super happy. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up with me on my curly hair journey. See you next time.